Amy, a 10-year-old girl, was full of energy and enthusiasm. She loved school, but what she loved most was spending time with her best friend, Mira. Mira was calm and intelligent, always thinking of unique ways to solve problems. One day, during recess at school, Amy suggested, "Mira, why don't we go to the park after school to work on our science project?" Mira agreed excitedly and said, "Yes, that would be great. We can also collect some plant samples to analyze." After school, the two girls met at the local park. The park was filled with tall trees and vibrant flowers. Amy and Mira began collecting samples and taking pictures of different trees and plants. As they worked on their project, Mira noticed that one of the plants was wilting. She asked Amy, "Amy, why do you think this plant is wilting?" Amy thought for a moment and then answered, "Maybe it needs more water or sunlight." The girls discussed possible solutions to revive the plant. Mira suggested they replant it in a sunnier spot in the park. Working together, Amy and Mira carefully transplanted the plant, and soon it began to regain its strength. Amy looked at Mira with a smile and said, "You know, Mira, working together makes everything easier and more fun." Mira smiled back and replied, "Exactly. Friendship means cooperation and support." As days passed, Amy and Mira became known at school as an unstoppable team. They always worked together on school projects and were quick to help their friends and classmates. When Amy struggled with math, Mira was always there to help her by explaining things in a simple and easy-to-understand way. In return, Amy encouraged Mira to join in physical activities and play, as Mira sometimes felt too shy to participate. One day, their teacher announced a science competition at school. The grand prize was a trip to the science center in the city. Amy looked at Mira with excited eyes and said, "Mira, we have to enter this competition. We can use everything we learned from our plant project." Mira agreed, and they began working on their project with creative ideas and team spirit. They chose to focus on the effects of light and water on plant growth, drawing from their previous experience in the park. They gathered information, conducted experiments, and created a unique presentation. When the day of the competition arrived, Amy and Mira were both excited and nervous. They stood before the judges and presented their project with confidence and perfect collaboration. The audience was impressed by the girls' teamwork and knowledge.